Hello, in this question, we are asked to simplify this expression. In the numerator, we have a to power 4 minus b to power 4, and in the denominator, we have a to power 3 minus ab squared. So let's start with the numerator. So we have the numerator. We are given the numerator as a to power 4 minus b to power 4. So a to power 4 can be written as a squared, and then you raise that to power 2. Same with b to power 4. This is the same as b squared, and that is raised to power 2. So you notice that this is a difference of two squares. And remember, for a difference of two squares, when I give you x squared minus y squared, this is the same as x minus y times x plus y. So this is the difference of two squares. So in our case, a squared would correspond to x and b squared would correspond to y. So this means in our case we'll have a squared and then minus b squared and then times a squared plus b squared. So that is the simplification of the numerator, or we can as well take it further, because actually when you look at this a squared minus b squared at the start, this is also a difference of two squares. So this is the same as doing a minus b times a plus b, and then we still have this other term here, which was a squared plus b squared. So that is the complete simplification of the numerator. Now let's move on to the denominator. So here we have the denominator. So we were given the denominator as a cubed minus ab squared. So the common factor between these two terms is a. So let's factor a out. So for the first one, a cubed divided by a, that's going to give us a squared, and then minus ab squared divided by a will be left with b squared. So again, this is a difference of two squares. So this term here is the same as a minus b times a plus b. Then of course we still have the a at the start. So this is the complete simplification of the denominator. So now when I tell you to do the numerator over the denominator, this is the numerator which we got was a minus b times a plus b times a squared plus b squared, and this is all over the denominator, which we've found out is a minus b, a plus b. So by a minus b, 1, by a minus b, 1, by a plus b, 1, by a plus b, 1. So in the numerator, we'll be left with a squared plus b squared, and in the denominator, we are going to be left with a, and this is the answer.